Guys, come back into the brand new video. So right now, starting the morning off with taking Molly for a walk. I'm not going to do a montage just because he's probably had enough of seeing montages of Molly going for walks, and it's just basically the same thing. So I'm not going to bore you with that, but today I'm going to do a pull workout. So it'll be biceps and back, because I did triceps and shoulders and chest yesterday. Come on, Molly. So, and then I was going to do some stuff, maybe some random stuff, like these videos always are. Here she comes. Alright, so, yeah. So, the weather was really bad last night. And sorry the video was uploaded late. It's just I had some issues. I hope you all enjoyed the new outro, and yeah, so I want to finish taking Molly for a walk, and I'll catch you all when we're back at home. Back from the walk, so I'm gonna go train now. We got a, like I said just then, we got a pull day now, so let's get into it. Back in bicep. I managed to get some sort of bicep in. It is starting to rain. I just did close grip and wide grip. I just alternated, or superset if you want to call it, because it just started raining, and I mean, if you can't really tell by the jumper in this lighting, there you go. So I tried to do what I did. I managed to get back at least, but biceps was cut short. I mean, they are pretty sore in that. I managed to work them the best I can, but that's gonna have to do with the workout. So I did train a bit in the rain to try and finish it off, but I did the best I could do. So dedication at its finest. So yeah, so we'll go get a post-workout meal. And alright guys, so for a post-workout meal, it's still pretty early. I'm making some toast with some chicken loaf. This is what it is. It's like a cold cut. Well, it is a cold cut, but it's called chicken loaf. It's basically what it is. And I'm going to have 3 Oreo cookies, or biscuits, or whatever you call them, with just a chocolate milk, which I haven't put the milk in yet, because I don't want it to go warm and go off. So I've got the toast. Got more. That's hot. Put the toaster away. Good. So I'm gonna talk a little bit. So I don't know what we're gonna do now. The weather's kicked in a little bit. Like I said when I took Molly for a walk, even last night the weather just really took a turn for the worst. So, I don't know what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try to do something. Maybe, hopefully, the weather will, like, relax and not be so bad. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do Molly's board. Because, you know, rain. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll try and think of something. It's just right now, there's really not much I'm able to do about the weather. And one more. Put this away. So yeah, so I pretty much trained a little bit out in the rain. I just wanted to try and get something done for biceps at least. I'm going to go out of frame a little bit. So, yeah, so sorry about that. So, I had to, like I was saying, yeah, so I sort of trained out in the rain a little bit just to try and get something done for biceps. Like I said, I just did close grip and wide grip. At least I hit 2 heads of the biceps at least. Sorry, Molly. Opened the fridge and scared her. So yeah. So I did at least something for biceps. Back, I'm glad. It didn't, it sort of started raining when I was doing back, but not as hard as it was when I was doing biceps. I did six sets of everything. It's just biceps I only was able to do 4 sets because I didn't know how hard and that the rain was going to get. So I did 4 sets of each. Sorry, I'm just mixing this up. So yeah, so I'll try and think of something, and I'll get back to you on that. I need to stir this, so I don't want to be loud in the video, so when I think of something to do, I'll let you know. The Google Mini all set up now. I bought runners as well, so, the weather's, hang on, hey Google, stop. There we go. So the weather's alright, it's not too bad, it's not raining or anything, it's just really cloudy. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Molly's board's gonna have to wait. So yeah, so Molly's just eating. She's not paying any attention at all. Molly. You say hi? Oh. Oh. Nah. Doesn't want to. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not going to end the video just yet. I'm going to see what happens. But I'm going to chill out for a bit. Maybe listen to some of the radio. And just hang out. So I'll catch you all later. Say bye, Molly. Molly. Say bye. Alright guys, so I went to kick the football and it started raining pretty heavily, but now it stopped since we got back. But this is the football jersey I got. It's Essendon, but this is their Anzac football jersey that they play in when it's Anzac Day. So the poppies make up the sash, and I'll give you a quick look at the back. As you can see, I didn't get a number because it would have costed too much to get them added, and that's what's on the back too. So we got the Google Mini and the football jersey, and that's all I'm gonna need. So yeah, so again, we were gonna kick the football, but the weather got in the way, so not much I can do about it. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so finally after a couple hours something interesting is happening. We're going to the trampoline park. At least this is indoor and not outdoor. So got home. We stopped to get juices because I felt like one before, so this is just pressure, I think that's how you pronounce it. There you go. Pressure fruit. This is just a apple raspberry, but it tastes like it has banana in it, so I'm not sure. It doesn't say anything. My hand's cold trying to hold it. Fruit juice, apple raspberry, water. Doesn't say there's any banana. Could be just me. It's a 1 liter. That's 1 liter. Jeez. Anyway, so I'm gonna end the video here. I just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So I got a bit of miniature here. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget the notification bell to hit to get a notification from me when I upload. I always mess that up somehow. Social media will be in the description below. And don't forget to stay hydrated, stay motivated, and I'll catch you all in the next video. See ya.